Hi everyone, have a nice day. I hope you are well and enjoy this season. The weather in my city is very sunny today. Those who are interested in art and painting have a deep connection with the weather and weather effects. Then, whatever they paint, so I thought, why not come to painting? So, I will teach you how to paint dark night view. So, today we will use only three colors. Firstly, we will use indigo color and berry color and mix up. Mix very neatly and gently. We can make indigo color by mixing black color and purple color. Make indigo color. And with that, we are going to mix a little bit of black in blue. What will happen if the sky looks dark? Then use this yellow color under it, which will give a little light to the sun. What happens is that your trees will also look enhanced. Then we will use black color for the trees. They are making it in black color because the tree will be exposed in black color. So we will make a tree with black color. We will tell small and big trees. Use a bed brush to make trees. It makes trees good. Here we will not only do more to make the trees, but also lightly touch the black color. So we'll blacken the whole bottom. So now we will make trees, 3 or 4 trees in the small and big size. So now a little more dark color to black color. On top of that, we formed a long line on that same tree. Now we will make the moon. For this, we will use white color. We will make it perfectly round. So now the moon is ready. So we will make a little star with it. So this painting is ready now. So I hope you guys like this painting very much. Please express your opinion in the comment section and keep watching and subscribe to my every upcoming video and my channel. Take care.